Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Centurytex stock. Okay, the stock has been in the news for its recent price rises, continuous price rise, and and it is giving a lot of money, making a lot of money for the investors. So I felt the need to do the technical analysis for the stock. So for would-be investors, whether if they think that this particular stock has been in the news and it has lost its potential so far, then I would like to tell them that there is still some sort of potential left in the stock to give you more money. So this is the right time to invest in the stock and for future returns. That's what I am thinking right now. I mean, that is what my objective is to for preparing for creating this video. So what you're seeing right now is a monthly chart of Centurytex, and along with the price historical trend of the stock, and other technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, super trend, RWAS, moving averages, etc. Okay, now I have data here since 2013 up to 2017 October 28th, and if you look at the Centurytex price movement, you can see here. Before 2013 also the stock has been there in the market, and I am taking data only from since 2013. So in 2013 August, it hit its bottom. That was a recent bottom. Okay, the recent hit. That time it was trading at nearly 202, and after that it started moving up. It moved up, and now up to July 2014, and after that it went sideways. It went sideways up to this point. Okay, up to 2016, up to 2016 September. Okay, and after 2016 September, it started moving up. Okay, it started moving in upward direction. It made a consolidation, and again it started moving up. Right now it is moving in it is going in the upward direction. Okay, very good, everything is good, nice, but there is a problem with this stock. Actually, the stock has been trading in a range bound fashion. Okay, that's what we can see. That's what you can also see. Okay, see this one, this particular peak that it reached right now. It has reached this particular peak in 2008 itself. Okay, and so far 2008 to 2017, the stock didn't even cross its previous peak. What does this indicate to you? It means this stock is moving in a range bound fashion. The whole thing is like, all the years since 2008, it has been moving in a sideway movement, and nothing great has happened so far. Whoever has invested then might not have gained much now, unless this stock breaks the current range bound trend. Only then we can discuss about the stock from the long term perspective. But at the moment, the stock is good for swing trading. That's what even indicators are also telling. Look at the RSI here. RSI is brushing with the 80 line, and it is going to make a nice slope. But if this slope increases, the angle of the slope increases, steeply increases, and then if this candle also increases, or the next candle that is going to form will break this particular range bound thing and form somewhere on the top of this one, then we can think of the stock, and we can look at the stock for long term investment, and we can look at the potential of the stock at that time. Okay, once it forms a candle, then we can look at it. We will revisit the stock, and then look at the potential of the stock, whether it is okay for the long term investment or not. And that's what we can say. Even the MACD is also good. MACD is also, the signal line is on top of the red line. Histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline. And look at the momentum. Momentum is somewhat in parallel with the baseline, which is price confusion. Until the next candle forms that breaks even. That breaks the range bound thing. I cannot say anything at the moment. Even the ADX is also good, but the strength of the direction of the stock is also good. That is what is the hope. Okay, so I think there is a chance, there is a possibility that the next candle is going to form. That is going to form will break this range bound thing. Let's see. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. At the moment, and we will see. We'll come back to the stock, revisit the stock in the next few days. Until then, the stock is not good for. The conclusion is the stock is not good for long-term investment, but you can go for swing trading in the stock. That's it. That is the analysis. That is the guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.